It's really quite easy to delete a YouTube brand account. All you have to do is just go in YouTube to the upper right hand corner here and click on your avatar. Go down to settings, click on it, and you're going to go over here to your channel section and click on the link add or manage your channels. Select the brand account that you want to delete. For example, here I want to delete my brand account for hotwidgetshop.com. So I'm going to click on it. Once you've done that, this section appears, the channel manager section. And to the right of that, there's a link called add or to remove managers, where it will redirect you to your brand account details page. Click on it, and from there you're able to delete your brand account by clicking on the red delete account link at the bottom of the screen. Here it wants you to verify that it is you and that you want to do this, so it's going to require a password. Go ahead and enter that in, click next. Because this action is permanent, it wants you to acknowledge by clicking on these two check boxes and then delete account. Now, if you had already deleted your YouTube channel but not your brand account, and you just need to delete just the brand account, and you can't find the channel manager section anywhere, the channel manager section where you can add or remove managers, then be sure to keep watching my video as I'll show you how you'll be able to do that. Go into YouTube and go to the upper right hand corner here and look at your avatar. If you're currently viewing your YouTube through your brand account, you won't be able to make the changes to be able to delete a YouTube brand account while you're logged in with that brand account. You'll have to switch over to your personal YouTube account in order to do that. And I'll show you what I mean here. So right now I am logged on viewing with my brand account. If I click on it and I go down to settings, it won't take me to any of the settings where I can make changes. So in order to do what we want to do and delete a YouTube brand account, we're going to need to go back over here and switch account. Once I click on that, it'll show you the brand account and your regular YouTube account. So right now it has a check on the brand account. So what I want to do is switch over to my regular YouTube account. I'll go ahead and click on that. Once I've done that, you'll notice that the avatar has changed to my regular YouTube account. Now you go over here under your channel and you're going to click on add or manage your channels. And then you're going to go back over here and select that channel that you want to delete. You're going to go down here where it says channel managers and click on it, the link to the right. And this is where you can go ahead and delete your brand account. Click on the red delete account button